Welcome to Dreamweave Stories. Today we will practice listening and speaking skills. Our topic today is a fun weekend with my family. Listen to the sentences carefully and try to understand the words. Listen and practice. Hi, I'm Sophia. Today, I want to tell you about how my family spends a fun weekend together. First, meet my dad. On weekends, he loves to wash our car. He takes his time cleaning every part until it shines. Sometimes he lets me help by spraying water everywhere. We always end up laughing and getting wet. Now, here's my mom. She enjoys planting vegetables in our small backyard. Tomatoes, carrots, and even strawberries grow there. Mom teaches me how to take care of the plants, and I love picking fresh veggies for our lunch. Then there is my younger brother, Noah. He never stops running around with his soccer ball. He's always practicing his kicks and tricks. Sometimes we play together, and even though he's younger, he often wins. Let me tell you about my grandparents, too. They love to sit in their rocking chairs, watching us play. Grandma knits scarves and hats for winter, while Grandpa enjoys feeding the birds. They often tell us stories about the games they played as kids. And don't forget our pet dog, Buddy. He is the most playful dog ever. He loves chasing sticks and jumping in the grass. Noah and I take turns throwing the ball, and Buddy runs as fast as he can to catch it. After all the fun, we have a family picnic in the yard. Mom makes sandwiches, Dad brings cold drinks, and Grandma always has a sweet cake ready. We sit together, eat, and talk about funny moments from the week. As the sun goes down, we sit around and listen to Grandpa's jokes. We laugh, feel happy, and enjoy our time together. My family makes weekends the best part of the week. Now it's time to practice. Repeat after me. First, meet my dad. First, meet my dad. On weekends, he loves to wash our car. On weekends, he loves to wash our car. He takes his time cleaning every part until it shines. He takes his time cleaning every part until it shines. Sometimes he lets me help by spraying water everywhere. Sometimes he lets me help by spraying water everywhere. We always end up laughing and getting wet. We always end up laughing and getting wet. Great job! You did amazing today. If you listened, practiced, and followed along, you're improving your English step by step. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you next time.